Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to do a 2-in-1. I got this package from Laura Lee Los Angeles. Thank you so much, Laura. She came out with two palettes called Party Animal and Boss Babe, and I really wanted to do a 2 looks in 1 video. I'm gonna zoom you guys in just a tiny bit more. Oh yes, that is very zoomed in, very HD. Don't clock the mug. So we can go in with Boss Babe. My eyes are primed with some Tarte Shape Tape like they always are. So let's take a look at it. Ooh, look at Boss Babe. That is such a pretty palette. I think we're gonna go in with Deadline first, which is this very pretty shade right here. Oh, my nails need to be cut. Oh, I really want to use Hustler too. That's really pretty. Oh, they're very powdery. But as long as the pigmentation is good, I don't mind it. Which is looking pretty good. Pigmentation is not bad at all. I actually just met Laura Lee at the I Love Saturday X Dose of Colors event, which was so much fun. Oh my god, that was the best event I've ever been to in my entire life. But yeah, I met Laura Lee there. She is so sweet. Oh my god, we like looked at each other and both screamed. I'm gonna be doing a whole storytime video of what happened to me at BeautyCon, and I'm gonna be spilling a lot of tea on some influencers. If you guys didn't know, I was with the paramedics and it was a big ordeal. This shade is being a little bit weird on the outer corner, but I did have a crease there for my concealer, which I assumed would just be fine because it's a powder going on top, but that could be from that. But I'm just taking Deadline and really deepening it up. Also gonna run this in the lower lash line. Okay, so once we have that shade down, I think I'm gonna go in with the shade 9 to 5, which is really pretty, like, very warm brick. And I'm just gonna take that on a Wet n Wild P15 brush. I usually just use this brush to apply glue. That's so funny. I'm kind of like, I don't really know how I'm gonna use these shades. Like, I can easily use Deadline and Clocked Out for all of them, but 9 to 5 I feel like is such a weird shade to pop in. I guess it's good to like warm up a look, I guess. But Hustler, I really want to use that and I really don't know how, but I'm gonna try to use as many shades as I can. I want to keep it just in the crease so we have that really pretty definition. And then I'm just gonna take it and pack it on the outer corner, dragging it in and back up to the crease. Ooh, that's kind of weird. On my lid it's a different color than in my crease, which is weird. That's what happened with Subculture, but I think it's just because my eyelid is lighter. Oh my god, I'm not calling it a Subculture mess. I got clocked so much on the Jeffree palette for saying it reminded me of Subculture, because it did in the beginning because how pigmented it was and how it was just like blending out everywhere, but I actually really love that palette. So I'm just gonna wing this out a little bit. That looks pretty good. I'm really happy with that. Now let's go in with Hustler. Oh my god, that is so creamy. Hustler is giving me trophy wipe vibes. Oh bitch, that's so pretty. Wow, that shade is so beautiful. I hope it's showing up on camera as it is in person. Oh my god, I'm not even using like a wet brush. I'm literally just using my finger. Wow. Now I'm gonna pack 9 to 5 back on the outer corner and in the crease, just to make sure this is all nice and blended. And then I'm gonna take the shade Hustler again on a packing brush, and this time I'm gonna wet it just because I'm honestly just curious. Take a little bit of fix. It's going on my brush pretty well. My brush is pretty coated. The shade again, just to oh bitch, Laura Lee fucking did that. Wow, she literally fucking did that. This shade is literally the prettiest shade I've ever seen. And for it to be in a neutral palette like this is really brilliant. That is so pretty. Oh my god. I'm shook, you guys. Do you guys see that? It is a little bit hard to blend out here. So now we're gonna deepen out the outer corner with Clocked Out with a very tiny Makeup Geek brush. I don't even know if they still make this. This is so old. I know we're going with so many shades. I'm trying to use as many shades as I can, but hopefully this will fix the weird situation that's happening out here. So I did the other eye off camera and I used CEO in the inner corners on my brow bone. This palette is sickening. Like, Laura did an amazing job on this formula. I'm sure she's watching this. I'm so proud of you. The shadows are super pigmented. They're a little bit powdery, especially dead line, you can kind of see like how much. I will say I did have a little bit of trouble on this outer corner, but I didn't have it on this corner, so ignore this. So I'm going to apply some liner and lashes, and I will be back with a finished look. Damn, this lash is sickening. Use code Cohlsworld. Plug this pussy. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I popped on some So Extra Miamis. Yeah, I love this boss babe. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. So let's move on. Girl, now we're just gonna move on to Party Animal. As you can see, I did a little wardrobe change. Oh shit. Oh, it worked. Mood. Okay, so we're going with Party Animal, which is the neon one. This one, oh, that is sickening, bro. That is so sickening. As you guys can see, I did swatch it. It swatched pretty good, and I'm excited to put it on the eye. So let's zoom you in a little bit closer, and we'll get started with Party Animal. Okay, so now let's go in with It's a Party, which is this really pretty shade. It's a nice neon yellow, which I'm actually kind of surprised she came out with neon shades before like just like normal bright shades. Because I feel like neon shades would be really hard to formulate, so this is the true test, sister. Oh, wait, actually, I think I want to put on some powder first because colorful shades love to fall out on your cheek and ruin your look, girl. I'm not just saying just her formula, I'm just saying in general. So I'm just going to apply a loose setting powder. This is the Too Faced one. Guys, my under eyes are creasing so bad from a concealer that I just tried, which is not sickening. So yeah, we're going in with Party Animal. And just applying this right here. It's a party. Not badly pigmented. It's actually pretty nice. I don't know, I just feel like neon shades are not her brand. Oh wait, actually no, these are pretty sickening actually. Okay, so we're just gonna keep building up this color till it's really, really nicely pigmented. And I will say that there is a ton of fallout on this, which I don't really mind. Oh my god. Can you guys see all that fallout? I don't really mind fallout, but I know a lot of people don't like it, so just putting that out there. But yeah, again, I don't really mind fallout. I don't think it's a big deal. Honestly, yeah, I don't understand why everyone makes a big deal of fallout. I get that you're like wasting product, but if they're pigmented, who cares? I really am building this up as much as I can because I am going to be cutting the crease. So that's why I'm just like going extreme with building it up. After that, we are going in with the shade Drinks, which is this nice orange shade. This one is super neon. I'm actually really excited to use this one. And I'm gonna kind of keep this one like more towards the middle-ish. And just kind of keep it like right above my actual eye. This one is really pigmented. Yeah, I feel like that's already enough. Yeah, that's already enough. I barely had going with that shade. And then just give me a nice good blend. This orange shade is so pigmented that I'm really scared for my own wig, bitch. It is so pigmented. Look at that. I'm like still blending because I keep applying color and I don't know why. So pigmented. Laura, girl, you're a neutral Sally, you're a nudie patootie mama, and I was not expecting this. Oh yes, bitch. This is sickening. Okay, let me go off camera and blend this out really fast so I can stop adding some color. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut my crease with my concealer. I guess we'll find out how pigmented these shadows really are, girl. So far, they are sickening, mom. So living. Okay, so I just lightly set that, and now we're gonna go in with the pink. Honestly, these shadows are pretty sickening. And the little reflex glitter is actually kind of cute. The shade's not showing up as smooth on camera as it is in person, but it's definitely coming on smooth. I did have a little bit of trouble blending those two in. I don't know if it's because of the glitter, you can kind of see like there's a harsh line. I can't really do anything about it. It's whatever. I'm actually just going to go in with Drinks. The orange shade again. It's really pigmented. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I applied some KKW lip products on. I used lipstick in the shade 1, lip liner in the shade 1, and then I topped it off with Super Nude from the KKW X Mario collection. For lashes, I have New Balm Dragon Lee lashes. I will have these linked below. You guys can use code Cohlsworld to save some coin. I love New Balm lashes. They're my favorite. But yeah, guys, this is the finished look. It looks sickening. I love both these palettes. I love Boss Babe. I love Party Animal. They're great. Orange drinks is sickening. You need it. $18 each. Go grab them. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, first of all, don't forget to subscribe. I don't understand why no one's subscribing to me. Don't forget to subscribe. Why are you not subscribing? Why are you not subscribing? Okay, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.